bese ngicela uMadam Speaker uNomfundo ngicela nimthembe uNomfundo uthunywe yimina ngiyamazi mina uNomfundo kakhulu nakungizwe le ecourt kangizwe nganginayo uNomfundo umngane wami akwenze njani uNomfundo ngimazela la ladies house ngimazi na isikhathi ngiye kungizwe that was my first time ukubona uNomfundo so ngazongitshela ukusala uNomfundo umngane wami so asingabhedulani kumoya ungafuna ukuzongisukela sando sami.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, guys. Yeah, Mashelembe has been trending, guys. And I've tried to do my research about her story, and it's look as if everyone does not want to be associated with Nomfundo Madam Speaker now. Firstly, guys, Nomfundo was requested by Sisbongi since ehlala eNquthu, just closer to Mashelembe, to assist Mashelembe with everything, especially her bank information issues, as everyone babefuna ukumfakela imali. Sisbongi waqinisekisa ukuthi we can trust uNomfundo. On her live video yesterday, she said she don't know her that much. Bahlangana nje ku ladies house naku case kangizwe. Other than that, they don't have friendship or a relationship with uNomfundo. Let's come back to the issue of a baby shower. It was Mom Andy Brown's idea. It was never Nomfundo's idea from the beginning. Yesterday, Mom Andy Brown did a live video and implicate Nomfundo even more. She said even before the issue of baby shower, Mashelembe complained to her ukuthi imali yakhe has been decreasing on her bank account. The only person who had access was Nomfundo Madam Speaker, because she was assisting her with the bank app, as Mashelembe was not familiar with the Indabayama bank app. And guys, she also requested her to transfer money to Mashelembe's sister, to her sister, and from there imali bisiloki iphuma kubo kaNomfundo. Isoleza reported that kwaphuma 3,000, kwaphinde kwaphuma 3,000, kwaphinde kwaphuma 2,700. Nomfundo denied the allegation, and she promised to further investigate to her family. Maybe someone took advantage of Mashelembe's situation, but the truth will be revealed, guys. Where was the money transferred to? What broke my heart is that, guys, Mashelembe ended up spending her money kuleya baby shower, including the accommodation. According to Mom Andy Brown, onke ama contribution for Mashelembe's baby shower enziwa, and imali yafakwa kwi account ka Mashelembe without anyone informing her, because abantu abaningi babengafuna ukuthi imali ize kubo ngoba babesaba khona ukuthi bazogcina sekuthiwa ibona abadle imali, which, guys, I assume she thought uMashelembe njengoba bengatshelanga bafaka imali kwi account yakhe and abakwazanga ukuthola isikhathi sokuthi bamtshele, because she was receiving ama calls kakhulu and end up engasabambi amanye ama calls. So I assume she thought imali labayifakayo, because but it was something like more than 20,000. uMashelembe shothi wacanga ukuthi imali yakhe that had nothing to do with the baby shower, of which bona bathi bahlanganisa imali then bayifaka kwi account ka Mashelembe for a baby shower. So guys, I think that is where the problem started. The truth is, yes, Mashelembe was scammed her money. Ukuthi ubani, we don't know. Everyone is innocent until proven guilty. Do leave your comment below, guys, and share your opinion.